Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. Today I'm here to show you how can you turn off Facebook's mobile browser. So let's begin here. Disabling Facebook browser is simple, but it has its limitation. So first of all, go on your Facebook app and tap the hamburger menu in the top right. And then number 2 is scroll down and select settings and privacy and go to settings, and you can tap your share media, click it here. After that you will see your links open externally. Just toggle the links open externally option to the on position. So the biggest downside is that on iOS, the latest version of the apps does not have the required settings. Unfortunately, you can't download old versions of apps by Apple App Store. If you are on iOS, you have to stick to Facebook built-in browser. But if you are on Android, this Facebook app download from Google Play Store and follow whatever I did here. So in this way, you can turn off Facebook's mobile browser. So with that said, Facebook will now ask you to select a browser of choice when you tap off any link to an external website. But if you have a default browser set, links will automatically open in it. So I hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and to get more daily updates. Thank you.